Before you sell or trade out your iPhone for a new one, you're going to need to back up and reset it first. Or if your phone is slow and glitchy, then this could also help by factory resetting it. The first thing that we want to do is to make a backup. If you use iCloud backups, then this is probably automatically done overnight, but I still like to do it manually whenever I do a reset. To back up your iPhone, open Settings. At the top inside of here, tap your name, and then on the next screen, choose iCloud. Once you're inside of iCloud, you'll see iCloud Backup. Select that, and then inside of here, you'll see if your iCloud backups are turned on automatically, but since we're doing it manually anyways, select Backup Now. Once you're done backing up, we'll go ahead now and sign out of our iCloud account. Head back to the settings page, and then again, choose your name at the top. Scroll down to the bottom of this page, and you'll see Sign Out. Choose that, and then enter your Apple ID password. After you enter your password, hit Turn Off, and then you'll be asked if you want to keep a copy of your data on the phone. Since we're getting rid of the phone, make sure that all are unchecked and then hit Sign Out. Once you do that, you'll be signed out of your iCloud account, and now we can go to resetting the phone. Back on the settings page, scroll down and then choose General. Scroll down to the bottom of this page and then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. We've already prepped the phone to be reset, so we can just skip to erasing the phone, so tap Erase All Content and Settings on the bottom. You'll then get an overview of the rest of the data that'll be removed from your iPhone. At the bottom, tap Continue and then enter your iPhone's passcode when you're prompted. Your iPhone will then go through the erasing and resetting process, and when it's done, it'll boot into the factory default Hello screen. You can then turn off the iPhone if you plan to sell it or trade it back in, or you can go through the steps to set it up again as a new phone. And that's how you erase and reset your iPhone back to factory default.